Hello bafowethu, nginibingelele nginamukele kuyona i-channel. Igama uNqoba Dlamini aka DJ Chef The Soul. Bafowethu, njengoba sike sezwa nje ezihamba phambili-ke esikhathini samanje ukuthi-ke amanye ama-artist-ke anenkinga when it comes to ama-funds. For instance nje ngizokwenza nje umzekelo okusukela laphaya ku-Arthur Mafokate according to uZa-Labs laphayana-ke laphayana-ke kuthiwa-ke an iconic musician Arthur Mafokate is going through tough times and joins many of artists who are struggling because of COVID-19. Okay, we assume this because he has allegedly applied for the National Arts Council grant. Okay, so siyabona ukuthi-ke leyo grant vele i-grant ebhekelela kahle kahle kakhulu-ke abantu-ke abakwi-art noma abakwi-industry nje ye-entertainment. So the COVID-19 relief grant funds were created in order to help people survive during the pandemic as their livelihoods would have been affected. Artists as well have their own funds set aside in order to help pay their bills as the arts sector was badly affected. So kubantu-ke abafana, for instance, abafana no-Chicco Twala naye ku-Arthur Mafokate are not deserving of the relief funds as he labeled him greedy for even queuing up for the funds. So uChicco Twala kahle kahle ukubone lokhu kungeyona into e-right for u-Arthur Mafokate ukuthi-ke agcine enze njani e-applyela leya fund leyana. Kodwa u-Arthur uyi-artist naye ngokwami nje ukubona, I think if ever mhlampe kukhona la angakwazi ukwenza khona izinto when it comes to mhlampe izinto ey'dinga imali, kubalulekile uma kunendlela angenza ngayo ukuthi-ke agcine ekwazile ukusolva-ke iy'nkinga zakhe, ngoba phela-ke leya relief fund ya-create-elwa zona izinto ey'fana nalezo. Singezwe sekuthiwa-ke i-artist mhlampe ishawa i-depression, noma-ke umuntu nje usomabhizinisi othile o-related to leyo industry leyo ushawa i-depression ngenxa yokuthi-ke akakwazanga ukuthi azifunele usizo futhi lube lukhona lu-available usizo. So bafowethu, ngiyacela nani nizwakalise imibono yenu ngalolu daba. If kuwukuthi kuyiqiniso ngempela ukuthi-ke u-Arthur Mafokate is going through a rough patch when it comes to ama-financial expenses noma nje izinto ey'dinga imali-ke, ngiyabona ukuthi-ke kuyinto e-right ukuthi aqhubeke naloku okuthiwa-ke mhlampe nalokho-ke bafowethu ekuthiwa-ke uyazama ukwenza in order for yena ukuthi-ke iy'nkinga zakhe zixazululeke. Kodwa bafowethu-ke okuningi ngiyacela ukubuza nani ngani la kwi-comment section-ke. If uyithandile ividiyo ngiyacela u-like.